Hey guys, and welcome back to your fourth Java tutorial. In this one we're going to continue using the scanner and use it in a way that might be useful to someone. Um, Basically, last time I just showed you how to import it and how to create a object of it. But this time we're going to actually kind of, use it in a way that, it's more than just asking for someone's age or something. So, I think the easiest way to do that would be, let's make a calculator. So, we're going to make a calculator. So, here we go. So, you already have your public static void main, which you guys should have been writing this whole time, like for every program, or else it just wouldn't work. So, there we go. Okay, so let's make the scanner object, which again is scanner. Whatever you want to name it, I'll name it scan equals new scanner system dot in. Okay, so we're gonna make a little calculator, but it's gonna be a calculator that only adds numbers for now, at least. Okay, so system dot out. Enter the first number you'd like to add. Integer number 1 equals. So we're just setting up the same thing we did last time with, or prompting the user to enter a number, and then we're making a variable to hold the number that they enter. So scan.next int. Okay, good. And then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it again. And we're going to tell the user to enter the second number you'd like to add. And then we're going to make a new variable. This one's going to be called number2 equals scan.nextInt. So all we did was we prompted the user to enter a number, stored that input in a variable, and then did the same thing again. So let's make our own variable called int total. And this is where variables are really useful to use. Total is going to be equal to number 1 plus number 2. So regardless of whatever the user puts in number 1 and number 2, as long as it's an integer, because that's what we're scanning for, this will work. And now we're going to write the total of the two numbers is. And then we're going to concatenate that with total. So let's run this. Well, what number do you want to add? Let's see. Let's add 337. And then let's add 10. The total of the two numbers is 347. Yep, that seems right to me. Well, at least I believe so. Anyway, so basically we did the same thing we did last tutorial, but we used it in a more useful manner rather than just making a program that really just writes a sentence to the user regardless of what they type. This will actually do a simple calculation and then print out the result of that calculation using input from the user. Basically, the theory is the same as last lesson, but it's a little bit higher sophistication. Not much higher, but still there. Anyway, I'm rambling now, so I think I'm going to end this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and tune in again next time for whatever I decide to teach you guys. See you then.